minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So the waveform will be shifted towards like this. So this is okay. We'll get the waveform. Got here. So minus 2, minus 1. So this is 1. This is minus 1. This is x of t plus 1. Okay. And y of t minus 1. Let us draw it here. Y of t minus y of t minus 1. So waveform y of t is here. So this is a waveform y of t here. So I'm going to shift this one towards the left side by, sorry, right side by 1 unit here, right side by 1 unit. So this will become minus 1, add 1 means units 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 will become like this. So the waveform will be like this here. Minus 1. Okay. So this one. Okay. So minus 1, 0, 1. Whatever. Okay. This has become x of t plus 1 into y of t minus 1. Plus 1 into y of t minus 1 here. So right, when you take the product of this one, so here no waveform. So here some waveform is there, something multiplied by 0 will be the 0 only. At exactly this point, okay, so it is a 0, it is 0. So 0 multiplied by something will be the, okay, so 1, 2, 3. At exactly this one is 0, at exactly this one is multiplied by something will be 0. At this point, okay, at t is equal to 1, it will be 1 year. At t is equal to 1, it is still t is equal to minus 1, greater than minus 1, it is 1. At t is greater than minus 1 only, so 1 multiplied by 0 will be the 0, correct now. Next, at t is equal to a less than 0, this is less than 0. At exactly 0, it is 0 here, it is 1 year. This is also 1. 1 multiplied by 1 will be the 1 will get here. So mark it, join the line here. Okay, you should mark t is less than 0, exactly 0 after 0 here. So right. Like this. Next, at t is greater than 0, it is minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied by plus 1 will be the minus 1 will get here. So it will become minus 1 like this here. Next, at t is equal to 1, it is minus 1. T is equal to 1, it is minus 1. So minus 1 minus 1 plus 1, it will become equal to the minus 1 only. So next, at t is equal to 2, it is 0. At t is equal to 2, it is 0. Okay. So 0 into 0 will become 0 like this. Next year, so you'll get the same waveform you'll get here. So done everyone, it's correct now. So 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied 1 will be the 1 year. T exactly equal to 0, it is 0. T is greater than 0, it is multiplied by minus plus 1, it will become minus 1. T equal to 1, it is minus 1 multiplied by plus 1 will become minus 1. T is equal, okay, so T is equal to 2, it will become so sorry, let us take intermediate value also, we can take here. Intermediate value also let us take here. At t is equal to 1.5, it is 0.5 here. At t is equal to, it is 0.5 here. Minus 0.5 into plus 0.5 will become minus 0.25 get here. So the waveform will become like this here. Will become like this. Okay. So whenever the both are the falling lines are there, we need to take the intermediate value. So the waveform will become like this here. So you can take like this. This is a smooth curve you're going to get here. Okay. Okay. So done. So got it right. So t is equal to 0.5. Now both are falling away. So 0.5, t is equal to 1.5. It is 0.5 here. This is also 0.5. 0.5 into 0.5 will become 0.25 will get here. So the waveform 0.025. The waveform can we take the smooth curve we can take here. It's visible, right? Video you can see, right? Can you see the video? Video, it is visible, right? Video clarity is there, no? Clarity is there. It's there or what?
No, sir, clarity illa.
Clarity. Just a second. Is it okay now? Now is it okay?
Yes, sir. It is okay, sir.
Okay, so we got the waveform like this. So whenever 0.5 is there, we need to take care. So it will become the waveform will become something smooth curve will get here, exponential decaying something like that. We'll get like this here. Okay, so done, right? This is the fifth one. You are done like this. If not done, we can check whenever we need to take this condition. Whenever both are in the falling line here, both are the falling line, we need to take this condition like this here. Okay, now so just I'll quickly go through the sixth one. So sixth one you are done as a homework here. So just okay, the sixth problem is, so it is x of t into y of -1 minus t, x of t into y of -1 minus t. So I'll plot the waveform of x of t and y of -1 minus t. So since y of -1 minus t is there, okay, so this y of go. Okay, so y of -1 is there. So what we can do is y of -1 is there. We can take like this. First, we need to perform the shifting operation. First, we need to perform reflection operation. We need to perform here. So I'll draw the two equations, two waveforms I'm going to plot. First one is the shifting here. Next, I will take the reflection here. Okay, so first one is shifting. Next one I will take the reflection. So this is y of t minus 1. Okay, first I will plot it here. So t. Next, so the waveform of y of t is here. Y of t is here. If I'm going to perform the shifting here, the waveform of y of t is here. Is here. So if I'm going to shift the waveform here, it will be shifted towards the right side. So this will become -1, -0, 1, 2, 3 like that here. So we'll get the waveform like this. Okay. So this is -1, 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Okay. So this is -1, the waveforms. So this is the y of t minus 1. Now we need to take the reflection y of -t minus 1 here. Y of -t minus 1 means the reflected signal will become like this. So this will go to the +1 and the rest of the things. So it will go down. So this will be there and this will be there and this one. So like this will get here. So this is -1, -2, -3, -1. This is 1 here. So this is y of -t minus 1 will get here. Right. Next, we have the signal called x of t. We want here x of t. So let us mark the waveform for the x of t. So we're already done as a homework here. So just I'm doing this one. Okay. So this one x of t, the waveform for the x of t is here. So let us plot that one. So -1, go to the ground. So next, the waveform like this. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. 0, -1, -1, +1 here. So this is the signal called x of t here. X of t. Now let us we need to multiply these two here. We need to multiply these two. So this is the x of t into y of -t minus 1 here. Done right? Everyone done right? Done. Okay, now we have done the product, I guess. Okay, so the product will be, the product of this one is, so this is -1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so minus 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here at t is equal to minus 1, it is 0. At t is equal to less than 0, it is minus 1 here. So here also t is less than 0, it is minus 1. So minus 1 multiply with minus 1, it will become plus 1 here. So we'll get the waveform like this here. Next, t exactly equal to 0, it is exactly equal to 0, it will become 0. We'll get like this. Next, this is at t is equal to, okay, so t is equal to 1 here. This is 0 only, z t is afterwards 0. T is greater than 0, it is 0. Here also it is 1, is the 1 multiplied with 0, we'll get 0 only. Next, at t is less than 1, it is 1. At t is less than 1, it is 1 here. So the waveform will become like this, we'll get here. So got everyone the waveform like this? Everyone will got the waveform like this? Done everyone? Done? Same answer Vandidya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So the 7th one. So you are not done. I given as homework here. Sorry, I'm told I will do that. So x of t into y of 2 minus t is there. So this one you can write like this here because we are familiar with minus t plus 2. We can write here x of t into y of, take here minus t plus 2 we can write here. So draw the lines here. So draw the lines and let us plot the waveforms here. So draw the lines. First, let us do with the y of t plus 2. Okay, y of t plus 2 means the waveform has to be shifted towards the left side by 2 units here. So y of t plus 2, let us plot first here. So y of t plus 2, then later we'll perform the reflection, we can perform later it here. Okay, so this is the waveform, you can see it here. Y of t is here. Y of t is here. If you are going to shift towards the left side by 2 units, this will become the origin 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, it will become here. Okay, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 4 like that. So this is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Let us draw a plot from the left side here. So the waveform will be like this. Okay, so this will be the waveform we'll get here. Okay, I'm going to keep side by side, you can visible. So this will become the waveform here. So this is 1, this is minus 1. So this is the y of t plus 2. Done? Done, right? Now we need to perform the y of minus t. We need to take the reflection here. The reflection is the signal has to be towards the right side. It is going to be shifted here. So let us draw the x-axis. So it is t. Let us mark here. So this is y of minus t plus 2. Y of minus t plus 2. You take the reflection here. So the waveform will become. It will become like this here. So from here it will be like this. Next it will be. Next it will go to like this. So minus 4 will become plus 4 here. 0, minus 1 will become plus 1. So 2, 3, 4 we get here. This is y of minus t plus 2 here. Y of minus t plus 2. Done. Now let us plot the waveform called x of t here on the same axis. Let us plot the waveform. So this is the 7th problem I told I will do. So this is not given as homework. So x of t. So this is x of t here. I'm going to copy it and paste it here. So let us copy it. Okay. So I'm drawing this one. So minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So minus 1 plus 1. So this is x of t. This is a waveform called x of t here. Now let us draw one more axis. So t. So this is the product of the waveform x of t into. So line is the space is not there. I'm going to write here. So x of t into y of minus t plus 2. Okay. So in the exam, this kind of problems will be asked for the 10 marks. So this is 0, minus 1. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Done, right? Now let us take the product here. Product. So at t is less than 0, there is no waveform. So we'll get the 0, no waveform will be there. Next, t exactly equal to 0, it is 0. It is t exactly or greater than equal to 0, it is 0. It is 1 year. 0 multiply 1 will be 0 only will get here. 0 only 1 will get here. So next, t is less than 1, it is 1 year. T less than 1, it is 1 year. 1 multiply 1 will be the 1 will get here. So let us mark and join the line here. So getting here now. So t is less than 1, it is 1. T is less than 1, it is 1 year. Next, t exactly equal to 1, it is 0. T exactly equal to 1, it is 1 year. 1 multiplied by 0 will be the 0 only will get here. Correct now? Okay, fine. Next, at t is equal to 2, it is minus 1. At t is equal to 2, it is plus 1. So plus 1 multiplied by minus 1 will be the minus 1 will get here. The waveform will be like this. Okay. So next, at t is equal to 3. At t is less than 3, we can take here. T is less than 3, it is minus 1 here. At t exactly equal to 3, it is 0. Minus 1 multiplied by 0 will be the 0 will get here. The waveform will be like this will get here. Okay, you can start from here. We'll get the waveform. So this is plus 1. Okay, so this is minus 1. So we'll get the waveform like this. Done, right? I think everyone has done. So no doubts in this one. Done, right? Okay, so I'll go for the next problem. So take the next one is x of 2t into y of 1 by 2 y of 1 by 2t plus 1 year. Okay, so the eighth one. So it is x of 2t. So first we need to perform the scaling. So 1 by 2t plus 1. Okay. So since we need to perform any operations, we'll take one complete page here. So let us mark. Let us do spaciously here. Okay. First one is x of 2t. First let us do with this one here. Y of 1 by 2t plus 1 here. First let us perform the shifting here, then perform the scaling here. Okay. So first we will perform the shifting here. So I'm going to perform the shifting, which is called as the y of t plus 1 here. Y of t plus 1. Among this one, you will going to perform here y of t plus 1. Okay, y of t plus 1 means the signal y of t will be shifted towards the left side by 1 unit. So this will become add minus 1 to this one. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 will get here. So minus 3. I can begin from here. So this will become origin. Okay, so the waveform will become like this 0, 1. So add minus 1 to this one, so it will become plus 1, 0. Okay, so next this will become minus 1 here. The waveform will get like this. So next it will be like this here. So this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 3. So this is plus 1 and this is minus 1 here. This is y of t plus 1. Done. Okay, so next we'll perform the operation which is called as the scaling operation. Let us perform it here. Scaling operation. So scaling is nothing but so y of 1 by 2t plus 1. Okay, so first we are going to perform the shifting here. Shifting by minus 1. So shifting by minus 1 is you are going to do it here. Next we are going to perform the scaling operation here. Scaling, the value of a is 1 by 2. So 1 by a will be the, so it will be 2 times here. So the signal will be expanded by 2 times here. 2 times means we need to multiply this one with the 2. This one, all the time intervals we need to multiply with the 2 here. Okay, so let us mark the time index as 1, 2. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, so this will extend the time index. Okay, so minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. So this is a time index here. Y of 1 by 2t means the value of a is 1 by 2. So 1 by a will become 2 here. So I'm going to multiply 2 with the 1. So this will become equal to 2. The waveform will be like this here. So its amplitude is 1. So next 2 into 0 will be the 0 here. So it will come down. It will come down like this. So next 0. Next 2 multiplied by minus 1 will be the minus 2 will get here. So minus 2. Let us mark the point here. Let us join here. So this is minus 1 the amplitude. Next 2 multiplied by minus 2 will be the minus 4 will get here. So till this point we have the rectangular waveform. Okay, minus 4. Next 2 into minus 3 will become minus 6. So we get the waveform like this will get here. So this is y of 1 by 2 t plus 2 1. Done. I think everyone is done. Okay, so next let us perform the x of 2t. X of 2t means the signal will be getting compressed here. The signal will be getting compressed here. So x of 2t. So this is t. So this is 1, 2, 0. So the time index will be. So you can mark the time index accordingly. If any point, if you are not getting understand means, you can tell me. Okay. So any point of the time you can answer. If you're not getting the concepts means you can ask me. Don't simply sit or don't switch on the mobile and leave like that only. Okay. So done, right? So now what shall we do is x of 2t. So the signal x of t is here. X of t is here. 2t means we need to multiply all the time index with the. So the value of a is nothing but 2 here. So a is nothing but 2. 1 by a is nothing but. So it is 1 by 2. It will become 0.5. The signal will be getting compressed here. The signal will be getting compressed here. So compressed is nothing but the time index. We need to multiply all the intervals with the a 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. We need to multiply here. So 0.5 multiply with minus 1 is minus 0.5 will get here. So let us mark it here. So the waveform will become like this. The amplitude will remain same as it was only, but the time index is it will be scaled down here. Next it is 1 multiplied by 0.5 will be the. So 1 will get here. So this will reach to 0. So 0.5 will get here. 0.5. Okay. So next 2 into 0.5 will be the 1 will get here. 1. So next 3 into 0.5 is. So it will become 1.5 here. 1.5 like this here. So the light, the signal will be getting compressed here. The signal will be getting compressed here. Done. So this is the product of the signal. The product of the signal we are going to write it as. So it is the x of 2t into y of 1 by 2t plus 1. Done. Okay, now let us take the product of the signal here. So just I'm going to expand the time axis here. So minus 0.5, 0. So this is 0.5, 1.5, sorry, 1 and 1.5. Just I'm going to expand the time axis because in order to plot the waveform, just I'm expanding the time axis like this here. Okay, so let us come to the positive time index. So positive time index, the waveform is like this here. So 1 multiplied by any waveform will be the same waveform will get here. Okay, the same waveform will get here. So the waveform will be like this here. So it will be there. So this is multiply with this one. So I'm going to start from the origin. The signal will be like this only will get here. Like this only will get here. So up to this is 1 and up to 1.5, the signal will be getting compressed like this. Okay, the same waveform will get here. This multiplied by this, so because it's a constant one, we'll get the same thing here. Now in the time negative time axis, we need to take bit carrier. Bit supposed to take carrier. So a t is equal to any dots with the positive axis. I think you don't have any dots. 1 multiplied by this one will be the same waveform will get here. So right. Now in the negative time axis, let us take this is 0.5. So minus 0.5. So here also we need to take the minus 0.5 here. So at minus 0.5 it is 0. At minus 0.5 it is the value will be the minus 0.5 will be there, because so this is this is a linear axis. At minus 0.5. So because at t is equal to minus 2 it is 1. So at t is equal to minus 1 will be the minus 0.5 will be there. So at t is equal to minus 1 it will be minus 0.5. At t is equal to minus 0.5 it will be the minus 0.25 will be there here. Minus 0.25 will be there. At t is equal to minus 0.5 here because this is a scale. Okay, so we'll get like this. So minus 2.5 multiply with the 0. So this will become 0 only. Concept too. So at minus 0.5, the amplitude is minus 0.25. Minus 2.5 multiply with 0, it will be the 0 we'll get here. Done. Next, let us come to the next axis, which is called as a 0.25 here. The time minus 0.25 at t is equal to minus 2.5, the corresponding amplitude. Okay, so the amplitude will become equal to it's a minus 0.5 here. You're getting the concept here. At t is equal to minus 0.25, the corresponding amplitude is minus 0.5 because it's a linear scale here. Next, at t is equal to, so for this waveform, at t is equal to minus 0.25. The corresponding amplitude is, so here minus 0.25 is it. The amplitude will be, so minus point, half of this one will be the minus 0.125 will get here. Minus 0.125 here. Okay. Then, so minus 0.125 multiply with the minus 0.5. How much will get here? Minus into minus will become plus here. How much will get? How much will get here? 0.125 multiply with 0.5. So some negligence value will get no. Negligence value will get, small value will get no. How much it will be? Okay. How much will get? Some value will get no, like this here. So the waveform will be like this. We'll get here. Okay. We'll get like this here, and will become like this. Okay. So you can calculate the regular time intervals. So what's the value of this one? Minus 0.5 into minus 0.125. How much you'll get here? Do you have a calculator? Okay, so 0.5 into 0.125. So this will become equal to 0.06 we'll get here. So 0.06 like this here. Next, you can take the linear scale. The waveform will become something like a smooth curve will get like this here. Because at t is equal to, okay, so 0, it is minus 1 multiplied with 0 and the 0 will get here. So the waveform will be something like this we'll get here. Done. It's audible. Is it audible? Concept understood now. So like this, we need to take the product we need to take here. So I think everyone has done. Done, everyone? Done, everyone? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So only 2 will reply. What about the others? One from the boy side and from the girl side. What about others? Okay. So the next one is x of 4 minus t and y of t here. X of 4 minus t and y of t. That's the 9th problem here. 9th problem. So x of 4 minus t into y of t. So x of 4 minus t we can write as minus t plus 4 into y of t. Minus t plus 4 into y of t. We can do multiply here. Okay, so let us draw the time axis. We need to shift the signal x of t towards the right side by 4 units here. Then we need to take the reflection. Okay, so like that accordingly you can draw the origin here. Okay, first let us perform the x of t plus 4. X of t plus 4 here. So we need to shift the signal towards the left side by minus 4 units. Okay, so I think everyone is following. If you're not following, the video is recorded. You can see the video. So x of t plus 4, let us perform the shifting here. So shifting is not doing what? Left side by 4 units here. We'll shift the signal towards the left side by 4 units here. So this is x of t. 4 units means add minus 4 to this one here. Minus 4 plus 3 will become minus 1 here. So minus 1, 0, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So from minus 5, the signal will begin like this here. So minus 4 will become minus 5. The waveform will be like this. So next like this, next like this here. So this is plus 1, this is minus 1 here. Okay, the signal will be shifted towards the left side by 4 units like this here. So done. I think everyone is done. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. So next is x of minus t plus 4. We need to take the reflection here. We need to take the reflection of the signal. So this is minus t plus 4. So we need to take the reflection. So the signal will become equal to the from 1 to 5. It is going to exist here 1 to 5. So this will become plus at t is equal to minus 2 will become plus 2 here. So the waveform will be like this. So this is the rectangle. This one. Okay. So next it will be like this. It will be like this. So we can make this as a 0.5. Sorry, 5 here. 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is 1. Okay. So this will be the minus 1 will get here. Done. Next, let us plot the waveform called y of t. So let us plot the waveform called y of t here. Y of t. So this is a waveform of y of t. It will be like this. So minus 2, it is going to begin. Minus 1. Okay. Sorry. So it will be like this. It will be from 1 to 2. It will be like this. Okay. So this is y of t will get here. Now we need to take the product of this y of t here. So getting here right. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. So y of t into x of minus t plus 4. So whenever the waveform is given something like x of 4 minus t, don't get confused here. Okay. So just you can write accordingly. Write the t first, then write the remaining quantity here. So y of t into x of minus t plus 4. So up to here, so the 0 is there. So from t is less than 1, it is something is there. Something multiplied with 0 will be the 0 only will get here. So this is 0 up to the plus 1. Next, so from 1 at t is equal to 1, it is 0. At t is greater than 1, it is 1 here. So 0 multiplied 1 will be 0 only will get here. Next, at t is less than 2, it is 1 here. Okay, so the waveform will be, so we'll get like this here. T is less than 2, it is 1. This is 1 here. 1 multiplied 1 will be 1 here. At t exactly equal to 2, it is 0. At t exactly equal to 2, it is 1. So 2 multiplied by 0 will be the, so 0 will get here. So this is the product we'll get here, the waveform. Done, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us go for the next one. The next problem we are done with the, okay. So right. Next one, you're done with the homework, right? You want me to tell that one? You want me to solve that one, that problem, the 10th problem? You want me to solve, or you are done with this one? You're done, right? Solve madbeka madidira. Can I get the reply at least? You want me to do that one? At least reply madri. Madidira ilvo. So I think okay. So x of 2t minus 1, y of minus t. So you do that one here. So take this one. I'm going to take this one as a x of 2t minus 1, something called plus y of t. I'll take here. Plus y of t I'm going to take here. Plus y of t. Okay. Plus y of t I'm going to take here. So x of 2t minus 1. So anyone can show me the waveform? X of 2t minus 1. So anyone can switch on the video and can show me the output. What's the waveform you got here? So I'm going to copy the same thing. Can you show me the waveform, anyone? Can anyone show me the waveform for the x of 2t minus 1? So we need to perform the shifting first here. So the signal has to be shift towards the the signal has to be shifted towards the right side by 1 unit here, and we need to perform the scaling here. So we'll show the waveform. Kavya, I have done with the problem. 10th problem I have given as homework. No, Kavya. Kavya, are you there? She's not there, I guess. Kavya, you are not there. So this problem, anyone done? At least Madila Madidiro reply madrapa. Madila, I'll solve that one. No one has done this one. Nobody is there in the class. My voice is audible, right? My voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you're done with the 10th problem or not done? If not done means I'll solve that one. Shall I solve?
Done, sir.
You're done now. Okay, so can you show me the waveform for the x of 2t minus 1?
No, sir, we didn't do, sir.
Okay, fine. So you want me to do. So the 10th problem. So at least you can reply so that in that time, in my request time, I can solve the problem. Okay, so kindly reply for my questions. If you're done, no problem. If you're not done, still no problem. I'll solve the problem. Okay, so the only thing is that you should get the solution. You should understand the concept here. Okay. So x of 2t minus 1. First, let us perform the shifting here. X of t minus 1 I am going to perform here. So first, let us shift the signal towards the right side by 1 unit. So this is x of t. When you are going to shift here, so this will become origin. The waveform will become like this. Okay. So this will become 0, 1. So this is 2. This is 3. This is 4 here. So this is minus 1. This is plus 1. This is x of t minus 1. Done. Okay. So next we need to perform the 2t here. We need to perform the scaling here. So this is x of 2t minus 1. X of 2t minus 1. So we need to scale this one by the. So we are performing the shifting here. Shifting by 1 unit here. So next we need to perform the scaling. How much? The value of a is 2 here. So 1 by a is nothing but 1 by 2, which is nothing but 0.5. So the signal will be getting compressed here. Compressed means so the signal will be getting compressed here. So multiply 0.5 to the all the time index here. Okay. So 0 multiplied by 0.5 will be 0. So 0 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 0.5 will be 0.5 here. So the waveform will be like this. We'll get here. So this is the time index called 0.5. Next 2 multiplied by 0.5 will be the 1 year. So this will become 1. 3 multiplied by 0.5 is 1.5 year. So 4 multiplied by 0.5 is, so it will become 2 year. So this is x of 2t minus 1 year. Done. Okay, so for solving the problem, it will not take much time. But for getting your reply, it will take so much of time. Okay, so done everyone.
Yes, sir.
So next, yeah, very good. So y of t, we need to take the y of minus t, we need to take here. Okay, so y of minus. Okay, so y, so this is the y of t. So we need to take the y of minus t means we need to take the reflection here. So the reflected signal will become like this. So it will go to the negative side. So it will become so minus 2 to the minus 1. So minus 2 minus 1. So from minus 1 to 0, the waveform will be like this. So next like to 1. So next the waveform will be like this. Will get here. So 0, 1, 2. It will become like this. So this is the y of minus t. Y of minus t. Now let us take the product of these two here. Let us take the product of these two. So this is x of 2t minus 1 into y of minus t here. Y of minus t. Okay. So let us take the product of this one. For the negative axis, it is 0. So it is 0. Multiply by something will be the 0 only will get here. So 0 from minus 2 to the 0, it will be 0. So next at t is equal to 0, it is 0. Yeah, so t exactly equal to 0, it is 0. So we'll get the waveform 0 here. Next, t is greater than 0, it is minus 1 here. So minus 1 multiplied by 0 is still 0 only. Next, t is less than 1, it is minus 1 here. For this is 1, it is 0. T exactly equal to 1, it is 0. Less than minus 1 means it is 0 only. Sorry, minus 1. Here also it is minus 1 here. So sorry, this is 0.5 no. 0.5. Just I forgotten the time axis here. So at t is equal to 0.5, t is equal to 0.5, it is minus 1 year. At t is equal to 0.5, it is minus 1 year. So minus 1 multiplied by 0.5 will be the minus 1 you will get here. So mark it here and draw. So this is a 0.5, 1, so 1.5 and 2 I'm going to take here. Okay, at t is equal to 0.5, it is minus 1. At t is equal to 0.5, it is minus 1 here. So we take like this. Next, t is less than 1, it is minus 1. So for t is less than t is less than 1, it is minus 1. Here also it is plus 1 here. Plus 1 multiplied by minus 1 will be the minus 1 will get here. So like this we'll get the waveform. Okay, so next at t is equal to 1.5. Okay, so at t exactly equal to 1 I'll take here. It is 0. T exactly equal to 1, it is 1 only. So 0 multiplied something will be like this we'll get here. Okay, so this is 0.5. This is 1 year. The time axis 1 year. Next at t is equal to 1.5. It is 1. So this is 1.5. It is 1 year. So up to 1.5. So the waveform will be like this. Next at t is equal to 2. It is 0. At t is equal to 2. It is 0 year. Okay, so the waveform will be like this. You're going to get here. So this is a product of these two waveforms here. So right, you got the product. You take the respective time index and you can plot the waveforms corresponding amplitude. You can do plot it along with the time axis here. So these problems are very, very important here. So next problem you can take. You can do this as a homework here. So 11th problem, x of same thing 2t minus 1 and y of t minus 1 here. Just you can add it here. X of 2t minus 1, y of t minus 1, you can add it here. So done. Okay. So in the last 2 hours you are free today, no? Last 6th hour and 7th hour you are free. Okay, so because the repeated class are there, I will take the 6th hour class. I will take here. Yeah, tell me.
So in this problem, at y at 0.5, sir, at the 0.5 it is minus 1, and y of minus it is 0.1, it is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, it is plus 1, no, sir?
Okay, okay. It is plus 1 here.
Yeah.
Correct. So no one has told that one. So even I also didn't notice that one. Okay, so make the changes here. So plus 1. So this is minus 1. This is minus 1. It will become plus 1 here. So at 0.5. Very good. Okay, so we'll lose the marks like this only if you're not going to notice here. Okay, 5. Next, at t is equal to less than 1. It is minus 1. So at t is less than 1. It is plus 1 here. So plus 1. Sorry. At t, okay, we'll take the t exactly equal to 0.5 here. At t exactly equal to 0.5. It is 0. So 0 multiplied minus 1 will be, it will become 0 like this here. Okay, so we missed this quantity. So okay, see, we missed this thing here. So you should be careful while taking the product here, the side. Very good. Okay, so next at t is equal to, this is 1. It is minus 1 here. T is less than 1. It is minus 1. So it is plus 1 here. Plus 1 multiplied with minus 1. It will become minus 1. So the triangular waveform will become like this here. Will become like this. Next, t exactly equal to 1. T exactly equal to 1. It is 0. It is something 1 here. So 0 multiplied 1 will be the 0. We'll get the waveform like this. Okay, so done. Next, at t is greater than 1. It is 1 here. At t is greater than 1. It is 1. So the waveform will be again like this. We'll get here. Next, at t is equal to 1.5. Sorry. At t is equal to 1.5. It is 1. This is 1. So up to 1.5. It will become like this here. Next, at t is equal to 2, it is 0. At t is equal to 2, it is having the 1 is there. So 1 multiplied by 0 will be, still will become 0. So the waveform will be like this, we'll get here. So very good. Okay, so very good analysis. So